So this is how my Christmas start. Can you see my eye? I know my junk. I've been drinking like 3 or 4 months. I had some Moscato tonight. Well, Christmas come. I'm gonna be outside. I'm definitely pop something for that. Right now, I'm there to eat bulla and cheese. Guys, don't forget to comment in the comment section. And that's my eyes. I'm not so. I drink a bottle and a half of Moscato. I mean, 750 liter Moscato. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about those small bottles. I'm talking about the whole 750 liter. I couldn't believe that's the first time I have ever do something like that. So don't forget to subscribe. Cool. Those girls that I went out with, that was off the chain. I had fun. Guys, stay tuned and for the vlog to end. Please remember the #1 rule to subscribe. Okay? That's the #1 rule. Okay? Only you'll laugh after me clean my makeup yet. I'm eating because I'm so hungry. It's a Jamaican cheese. I don't eat this for so long. The last time I ate Jamaican cheese? Period. Hey, what's up guys? I'm in the kitchen, but most of the food already cooked because my sister chef it up. Then I'm there to peel some potato to make mash. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Guys, and please remember the #1 rule to subscribe. You know, I am very tired because I went out last night to a party. You know, so you know me tired because me never go on a party and I wake up, get up till 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock that evening. That trust me, I'm not. So is our Christmas going? So I'm in mashed potato outside and them something there. I eat mashed potato already now. Because guess what? You see them butter something where they just have in them potato, yeah. You just feel like them restaurant they give you, they just put the potato there. Once when they have a skin, the potato not clean. The only place me eat mashed potato is like if you go KFC over here or Popeyes, because guess what? At the mashed potato where they add water on that. Yes guys, so I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned to get the updates on how my Christmas went or goes or whatever way, you know. Yeah, it's good to be alive, you know. 2020, even though it's not over yet, you know, we lost a lot of life and it was very rough. It was very hectic for a lot of people, even myself, you know. A lot of people got a lot of setback, things that people plan to do, they didn't get to achieve it because of the whole pandemic, while a lot of people get to achieve. So the pandemic do good for some and it do bad for some, which, you know, I think it do more bad rather than good. You understand? Because a lot of people business get to shut down. And remember, you know, if one business shut down, that's what I tell people. Some people don't understand, you know, the concept of certain things, you know. Alright, imagine somebody don't like me, right? Let me use myself as an example. And you don't like me and you fight against my business, right? I'm doing a business and you don't like me and you fight against my business. You shut down. I'm thirsty. fight against my business is shut down, right? You know, so when my business shut down, you know, believe that all of my workers them too. I feel it. And I think what things when you do to people in a life. When you fight one person, sometimes you fight all people who you're not supposed to fight, who never even deserve a certain thing happen to them. Because your box the next food out of a man's mouth. You see me? Like me do my Tuesday thing. You fight me for my Tuesday thing. Me not say, but DJ them not live by it. But at the end of the day, from DJ to bartenders to the person who me rent the place from, when they fight me for my thing lockdown, you know. When they fight them from, make a money too. From the liquor store to everything. When I fight them and I fight me at the same time, because if me can't keep a party, me can't get to hire them. Me not go take no liquor if me not keep a party. You understand? Me not go have no DJ, me not go have no sound man. So sometimes we have to think in our life about what we do to people. You know? We have to think on the stuff that we do to people and see the amount of person who get affected in the process. You know? That's me. But me personal, I believe I'm fighting people over there. You see me? They would have never try to find somebody. But as I say, the pandemic do a lot of bad to like, oh, me glad for the warm. Because I like the stimulus check, I like the unemployment money. But when all those businesses closed down and this pandemic over, right? How not gonna survive? When them stimulus money they done, eh? How y'all gonna survive? You know? How not gonna survive? So sometimes we have to think, and other people enjoy, so they might enjoy the stimulus money and thing. Yeah, it's nice to get, yes, no cap. It's nice to get. But at the end of the day, what are you going to do going forward when all of that done? And the government decides to election done and things, so we don't run none of that, you know. You see me, they don't give people anything they want, you know, right now, you know. Worse than that election, other people don't know that. Them give anything you want, because guess what? This a party wants them to do better than that the party did. So guys, I hope this pandemic over. That's my main thing. I want it to be over. I really can't take the pandemic, you know? Yeah, I can't. I don't like it. You see me? But guys, stay tuned. You know, I'm just stay tuned for me. Subscribe. That's the number one rule, okay? Subscribe. Always pause what you're doing. And I have to click on the link in my bio to go to my sister channel. Yes, me have to promote my sister. She does promote me, I promote her. You see me? What? Yes. Alright, so yes. Anyway, see you guys. I little. Don't play my sister, you know. Oxtail, she say. Oxtail she go. You see oxtail nice? I'm sitting on a pan now. So yes guys, about that time. It's time to have my Christmas dinner with my family. Oh, that's the best part of it. I am so tired. I didn't even put on any shoes. I just put on a dress. I don't have on no makeup. That's how tired I am. All I need is the food right now. So I'm going to in the kitchen. This is my sister over there. It's like a 10 person. Hey, Mr. Bro.
But I try heat up them.
How you doing? Thank you.
I try heat up the food over that oven.
So
Hey guys.
Yes. That's fine. Try.
Camera.
So put the camera. Oh, you see I try it up.
Yeah.
You don't put it on boil. So baby, turn around and let me see that sexy body go bam bam bam. Come in. Look at that. The light reflection, my face shiny. No makeup. No makeup, no filter. You know my face is messy the other day. Yeah. Gonna cool down after the makeup. See they come back. I'm just waiting for the spot to remove now. So if I have to put on a makeup, I put on a makeup. So yes, let's have food here. Y'all want food camp now? Remember I now be able to cook most of the food. So. But look over there, say. Yes, yes, man.
Sense.
You don't be laughing for me.
My friend.
Hold on, let me just burn myself and she laugh and she end up getting
Just
my
watch
burn.
everything.
Hold on, look guys, look the fish. Nice fish. Potato salad. Got some cardboard right there. Got some mac and cheese. Guess what happened with this guy? We put it back for warm in the oven. We put it on broil and it kind of get dark. But don't worry about that. It tastes good same way. We have rice and peas here, so it's something hot, so I'm going to open it up.
I'm going to put it now.
Got an oxtail right here. Got some fried wings over there. What we miss out? Some white rice right here, so. So yes guys, family, you can see the impression on my face. You know that I'm having a good time. I am dancing. Yeah, you're welcome. Music. Thanks for coming. And I don't want to get copyright. Okay guys, remember we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers.
You said we both text you at the same time?
Merry Christmas guys. I from Jamaica, I know they're Jamaica. Merry Christmas, people come out the door. Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah. Well, I don't know but for me, when people come like it take a long time. Like it be a long time, but now it's so
it does come. I like that. We just celebrate Thanksgiving.
Maybe it's
4 weeks from Thanksgiving, right?
No, but what I'm saying in time gone. Like I'm at 12, 14 years old, and it was like it. Yeah, but it's, you know, it's a long time. Because normally, you know, I don't know for you, but in my time, you know, when I'm at this party, I say, it's like a long years.
If you call them people the old man. I true that know. When I see some people all the way 40, I call them old man. And nowadays me I say, oh them man they are old man from a little picky. And them are still old man now.
They still old men.
Them are never know old man. They just not take care of themselves.
But they couldn't work because they couldn't work.
They couldn't work. Because they're not coming from work for a certain age.
Yeah. I mean I say,
They're still in the club.
I say, oh, then, and no, me I say,
Yes.
every day I say, well, I'm going to when you are 50 years old, you go, you know.
Stay safe.
I'm not going in the club. Or with my children in the club. The children in the club and you are still in the club too?
Merry Christmas, family. No punch you there.
What's that?
Punch you there for me live, Daddy Mocha. So Merry Christmas, she got here. Yeah, she got here. She just say Merry Christmas. Punch it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ah, yeah, she said, your papa mouth. Hello, hello. She said, hi, Dad. What do you have to do face?
That's on Facebook?
Instagram, love. She said, Merry Christmas, you are. You ever just stuff her mouth?
I don't have a Facebook page yet.
You have everything. Remember, I never use Instagram, I have a page and I without using it. Come and see. I have everything.
Everything is delicious. For good.
Nice.
I almost don't eat American food no more.
The Jamaican
I love
food.
Jamaican food. Ooh, I love it.
Jamaican food, nice, man.
Ever since I went to Jamaica in 2011 and 2012 for the tree money. And when we went down to the resort,
You know, Mistletoe, Justin Bieber.
Yeah, I think
The Mistletoe. Oxtail, fish, curry goat, or this shrimp, potato salad, fried chicken, white rice.
fried wings.
Mr. Fried wings, right?
Fried chicken.
No, well, same thing. Fried chicken, fried wings, rice and peas, white rice. Hey, what one is? Ram goat, oxtail, a lot of different meats.
you been sleeping all day? You sleep all day? I don't know why. Does he act like that? Not answer.
I don't want to miss out on the holidays. Yes, subscribe, guys. But I can't stop staring at your face. I should be making the list. I know I'ma be. Guys, remember the #1 rules to subscribe, like, share my video, tell a friend about my video, to tell a friend. Yes, guys, I hope y'all enjoy your Christmas just like I did. As you can see, I am having fun with my family.
Eat all the bones.
When the young never eat the wings, you know, I prevent them, you know, y'all leave all the meat on it. No skits. Don't eat them. Yeah. Them don't clean the bone like that. We clean the bone. We chew the bone. We chew the bone.
I don't chew the bone. But I try to get out
When
of
Mr.
here.
T them eat, you have one meat at a wife and meat at bottom.
My auntie used to chew the bone.
That's why them can't eat so much wings, because they not eat all the wings. When them eat 10 wings, they 3 them just eat. Because them waste most of it.
There's no meat. Most people leave meat on the bone. I don't chew the bones, but I try to get out the meat out of them.
And
So good for you guys. Chew the bones is that the bones are good for you, but
Guys, this food is so delicious and I'm enjoying it so much. And as I tell you guys, these moments are very special because we get to laugh and talk about stuff.
eat the bones, but I can't eat the bones. I don't know. I don't know if I can eat the bones.
We try you.
I do. I mean,
we don't waste anything.
oh no, not Jamaicans. Not Jamaicans. We as Black Americans didn't used to do that until we came on the up and up.
Oh.
We used to eat the bones too, more or less. But things have changed and
Y'all get bougie, so you
we
don't
got
go down the
bougie. We
bowl.
got bougie once Dr. Martin
And sometimes when
died,
they go now that the sweet part, and
our parents
like
started
the
getting
shrimp.
good jobs.
When you cook the shrimp, if you don't have any shell on it, it's not nice. You don't get that nice flavor.
Yeah.
Because all of the flavor they under the shrimp, under the shell.
It is. That's right.
When you do the
Over
one
there.
without the shell, it don't taste nice.
But yeah, we used to eat
Even
the
the
bones
same
and
thing, though.
everything.
That's expensive.
I'm not fancy lobster though. Mr. T. Mr. T on my video call.
What you at, right? Oh. You took the baby with you? Who you coming back?
I'm about to close this vlog and I'm going to sleep because I'm very tired. I'm going to edit up my video. You might see this video tomorrow instead of today, Christmas. Because I am very tired. Maybe if I sleep I wake up and I don't know if I get any gift. Yes, I get a gift. It's in this thing right here. And don't watch the small thing with the right of stuff. Watch the value in it. You understand? I'm glad to give here what I get. Because well, I feel like it have money too. Well, guys, that money in there. Anyway, I'm not gonna show how much money we get. That money in there. That money in there, and guess what? Yes, I like, to be honest, I like gift like these because I guess I can get to buy what I want. I like gift like this because I can get to buy what I really want. You see me? So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey GOODAS. I am out and I am very tired. Because so I am out, guys. I'm sleeping time now, you know. Yes, guys, these are some of my videos that you can go back and watch. And please remember the #1 rules to subscribe to Life with Corey GOODAS. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Bye.